Targeting users precisely is crucial in digital marketing, and with JarveePro 2 search tool, you can do just that effortlessly and efficiently. Stop wasting time manually searching for leads or content ideas. With this powerful tool, you can instantly discover both and turn insights into impact. First, let's add your accounts. Take Facebook as an example. Other platforms follow the same process. Import your accounts from a CSV file. Ensure it follows this format. Then, simply select and verify your accounts. Next, create a task. Search by keywords to discover targeted users in your niche. Or, switch to post search to gather top-performing content around your chosen keywords. Here's the real power. Use our built-in AI to transform real-world posts into original, branded marketing content tailored to your product or service. Create high-converting campaigns at scale without starting from scratch. Just choose your account, add the keyword, and select the AI generation template. You can even click here to check the search and generation results. Engage directly with the search results by following users, liking posts, and interacting with content across popular social media platforms like Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, YouTube, and TikTok, all from JarveePro's main dashboard. If you're not using this, you're already falling behind. Let the search tool work its magic and start your viral moment now.